Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are healthy and healthy. Welcome to B.G.S Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 8 on the topic First Assignment. Students, I am repeating, today our topic is First Assignment and I am going to discuss on this. And this is our 9th lecture. I'm repeating, this is our 9th lecture. So students, please take your notebook and writing elements. We are going to discuss about the first assignment of Bangladesh and Global Studies. So you have to note the important points in your notebook. So let's start. Students, look, I hope you have got the assignment topic already, and the topic must be from chapter 1, Colonial Age and Liberation War of Bengal. And from chapter 1, lessons are lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. That means lesson 1 to 8, you have to read this and you have to prepare your assignment from these lessons. Lesson 1 is colonial rule in Bengal. Lesson 2, the expansion of trade in Bengal. Lesson 3, the success of colonial power in Bengal. Lesson 4 and 5, the colonial rule and the exploitation. Lesson 6 and 7, reaction of colonial rule, Renaissance in Bengal and anti-British movement. Lesson 8, Lahore proposal and establishment of Pakistan. And now come to assignment or assigned task, on which you have to prepare your assignment. Make a poster of any 10 remarkable events from the year 1757 to 1947, including time period. And some hints are given. Mention year, narration of event, diversity in presentation. So this is the main point. You have to make a poster of any 10 remarkable events from the year 1757 to 1947. That means you have to mark 1757 to 1947. From these years, you have to mark 10 events and have to analyze on these and have to prepare your assignment. And you must have to mention year of these remarkable events. You can narrate these events and you must have diversity in your presentation. All students' assignment will not be same. They will think about all these events and will present according to their creativity. So for this assignment, what you have to do, you have some instructions. Number 1 is poster can be made by using poster paper or opposite page of calendar or by attaching together pages of copies. So for these students, you can take poster paper, or if you don't have poster paper, you can take a calendar. You know, the opposite side of calendar is empty, blank, then you can write in that side, or you can attach some pages together one by one and can make a huge poster. So like this, you have to take a poster, whether it can be a poster paper, the opposite page of calendar, or you can attach pages together. Number 2, diversity in color can be brought mentioning enlisted date and year. So here you can use colored pens to mention enlisted year or date. Students, I am showing you here. I'm showing you such color pens, green, red, black, blue. Like this, you can use different colored sign pen or pen to prepare your assignment. And now, look in number 3, short description of remarkable events can be mentioned in the poster. For example, ছিয়াত্তরের মনন্তর dual system, introduction to printing press, establishment of Kolkata University, etc. So to describe these events, here are some examples are given like theatre, Mononto, dual system, introduction to printing press establishment of Kolkata University. You have to describe at least 10 remarkable events, and these events must be from 1757 to 1947. And number 4, pictures, images and paper cutting can be added if needed. So if you feel that you can add a picture, you can draw a picture, image, or you can collect some paper cutting and can attach in your assignment, it will enhance the beauty of your assignment and it will be valued more than others. So try to draw or collect pictures or images or paper cutting and attach in your assignment. And in number 5, assistance can be taken from other supporting books of upper or lower classes if needed, except own textbook. So while writing your assignment or while making your assignment, you can take support from other books. Books can be from your upper class, from class 9, or from lower class, that means from class 6 or 7, except your own class, that means except the book of class 8, you can take help from other classes. So I hope you can understand the instructions. By following all these instructions, you have to prepare your assignment. So your assignment is you have to make a poster on any 10 remarkable events from the year 1757 to 1947, and you can take help from chapter 1, lesson 1 to 8. If you read these lessons from chapter 1, you'll be able to find out 10 remarkable incidents and can prepare your assignment, and also you can attach picture or paper cutting, images, all this. And this assignment criteria is applicable for teachers, and if you follow all this, you will get according to your assignment, you will get comment. If you want to get excellent, you have to follow all these instructions, and if your assignment is like this, you will get very good. And for good, teacher will find out all this. And for need to progress, that means I hope you nobody wants to get need to progress, so that's why you have to follow which points are needed for getting excellent. And students, here I have given the teacher's name and phone number, that is a teacher's information. Now I'm going to talk about how you'll prepare your assignment. You know, first you have to prepare your assignment with cover page. This is cover page, and you have to fill your assignment properly. Students, look, this is first assignment, and this is second week for your assignment. Most of the students write 2 in the space of assignment number, but it is incorrect. It is incorrect. This is second week, but first assignment of Bangladesh and Global Studies. That's why you have to write the sequel. This first assignment, that means 1. And here you have to write the subject. Subject name is Bangladesh and Global Studies. Topic, on which topic you have to write, that means you have to mention the topic. Then you have to fill all this information, name, class, section, roll, shift, and submission date properly. So sometimes you write on the nickname, you have to write your full name, class, section, roll properly. I hope you can understand as you have submitted last year. So fill your cover page properly. Now come to page 2nd. That means this is cover page. So after cover page, the main pages starts. So it is page number 1. In first page, you have to write the content or assigned task. So which one will be content? Students, look in 3rd row, assignment or assigned task. So it will be your content or assigned task. You have to write this in first page. In page number 1, you have to write this. And in page number 2, you have to provide teachers information. So look in here, I have given teacher's name with phone number. Ariful Islam sir, he's from day shift. Here his name with phone number. I myself Fatema Sabrin, and here is my phone number. You have to write teacher's name with phone number in 2nd page, and if you want, then you can write in 1 page, but you have to provide your teacher's information with content. And then from next page, your main work starts. That means you have to start writing the assignment. So here you can see I have given you. First you will write some lines to introduce the topic. Then you have to explain. Our topic is make a poster of any 10 remarkable events. So if you are using a poster paper, if you are using a calendar, or if you attach some pages together, no problem. You will give some introductions line, and then you will explain the incidents from the year 1757 to 1947. Students, I have written randomly the incident's name with year randomly, but you can write according to you, but there must be 10 remarkable events. Look, I have written here Chiyatturer Monontor and the year 1770. And can you remark that I have written with colorful pens, sign pens? Yes, look, green, blue, black, red, purple, and ash color. So you also can use such color pens to make your assignment colorful. So students, Chiyatturer Monontor, that was happened in 1770. So you will write some lines, some narrative information about Chiyatturer Monontor, and if you want to attach picture, you can add. And if you use color pen, it will be effective for you. If you use color pen, it will be effective for you. So I was talking about picture. If you want to draw, then you can, or if you want to attach any paper cutting, it can be. So now I'm showing you how you can collect. Students, look, you can collect picture through internet. Here I have written picture of Chiyatturer Monontor, and you can see here such informations are here, and you can see such picture related to Chiyatturer Monontor like this. If you want to get a picture of dual system, Battle of Palashi, permanent settlement, Lahore proposal, you will get easily. So like this, you can download pictures from internet, and you can attach in your assignment easily. So students, I hope you can understand how you have to write. After giving the title of the incident with year, you have to give some narrative lines, and also you can attach pictures, effective pictures related to the incident. So like this, you have to complete your assignment. Here I have written randomly from 1757 to 1947. Now I am writing the years, and you have to find out the incidents. In number 1, we can write 1757. 1757, what happened that time? You have to find out. You have to read your text. Then you can write 1765. Then we can say about 1770. 1770. Then number 4, we can say 1793. 1793, and in number 5, we can say 1871. In number 6, we can say 1857. 1857, incident of 1857. And in number 7, we can say 1861. 1861. And in number 8, 1940. You know what happened in 1940? Lahore proposal was happened in this year, and at last you can say 1947. 1947, what happened that time? You know, India and Pakistan, there were some incidents, so you have to explain. And number 10, I'm not writing about number 10, the incident of number 10. You have to think and you have to find out. Students, I have written only year here. You have to write like this. First you have to write the incident name, then year. So what happened in 1957, 1765, 1770, like this in all years. So you have to write the incident with year and have to explain all this, and also you can attach picture, image, paper cutting if you want. So students, I hope you can understand. Students, please do your assignment, and don't forget to submit your assignment with the fixed submission date. And your submission date will be informed you very soon through live class or YouTube class. You will be informed, and your class teacher will also inform you. So if you have any question, if you feel any question while making your assignment, you can contact me. Here I have given my phone number and also messenger ID. You can call me or knock me through messenger. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.